Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to School Review Series. Today I'm going to review a different segment of school, and that segment is Sainik School. So the school in this segment which I am going to review today is Sainik School Gorakhal. So you all must be excited to know the insights of this school. So let's go to the screen. So let's start the review. Gorakhal Sainik School, Uttarakhand. This is their logo and this is their main building. This is a logo of their school maintained by their students in their ground. Talking about the establishment, the school was established in 1966. So it has been now 55 years now, and the school is much stable now. टॉकिंग अबाउट द मोड ऑफ एडमिशन, एक एंट्रेंस टेस्ट बिगनिंग में कंडक्ट होता है 6th एंड 9th स्टैंडर्ड के, जो कि नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी NTA के थ्रू कंडक्ट किया जाता है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द बोर्ड इज CBSE बोर्ड. एंड हाउ टू रीच द स्कूल इज लोकेटेड ऑन भोपाली SSG के रोड नियर SSG के पोस्ट ऑफिस. So let's see some facts of this school. The school was established in 1966 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So talking about the second point, the school is located at an altitude of about 6,000 feet, that is 1,800 meter above the sea level. And all the students are assigned respective houses. Seniors are assigned Shivalik, Kesari, Kumao, and Singh. Out of these four houses, seniors are assigned one houses, and the juniors houses are Dhruv, Kush, Love, Abhimanyu, and Bharat. And talking about the campus size is 500 acre. This size is much bigger than the government engineering colleges in India. So there are some important points which you should remember before taking admission in this school. So the school is majorly controlled by Ministry of Defense, and teacher to student ratio is great. It's somewhat like 1:10. So much good student to teacher to student ratio is here. And school is not much known, matlab not everyone known this school, but the brand name and quality of this school is much superior. There are 3-4 sections for each class, and there are around only 500 students in this school, so that they take in less students so that much attention can be paid to individual students. The school is co-ed है, but the majorly gender is male because the school is residential, means boarding school है, तो everyone has to stay in the campus, means everyone has to stay in hostel. So majorly 99% male students are there, but they open admission to both girls and boys, but only few girls are there, 99% boys are there. Hostel is mandatory. There is a proper school uniform, and not talking about the school uniform, there are many uniforms. For different tasks, there are different uniforms. You will get to know once you get there what are the different uniforms. Talking about the fee structure, the normal fee structure is 1.4 lakh, including mess and all other residential charges. And if you get scholarship, then it's around 80 to 90,000. And most probably, many students get scholarship. Then after getting scholarship, their fee structure becomes around 90,000, including mess and all other incidental charges. So we will be discussing about admission process in depth, because the admission process for this school is different from other schools. So admission in these schools are carried out once in a year in the month of April for classes 6th and 9th, only on merit list of All India Sainik School entrance examination. I'll be making a different video on how to prepare on this All India Sainik School entrance exam. So stay tuned for that. Entrance exam is normally held on the first Sunday of January each year, and the same is conducted by a National Testing Agency (NTA). For appearing in the examination, you have to fill out the form that is published by NTA on their official website. The website is aisse.nta.nic.in, and the month is out in the month of September October. So for this year the date is out. For next year you can keep in mind the dates and apply for this school. Age limit of candidates appearing are for classes 6, it should be 13 to 15. Oh, no, no, sorry. For age limit for class 6 should be 10 to 12 years, and for class 9 it should be 13 to 15 years as on 31st March of the year in which the admission is carried out. 67% seats are reserved for Uttarakhand students, domicile state quota is applied, and 33% seats are left for the other states. And including in this, there is also category wise reservation. 15% are reserved for SC students, and 7.5% are reserved for ST, and OBC 27%, and defense 25%. Talking about the infrastructure is very great here. So there are three computer labs. Computer labs are air conditioned and have computers around 100 plus pieces, and likely 99% of the pieces are working here. Computer teacher is also very good, and he entertains all the guys of the students. Talking about the music of this school is much different from the ordinary schools. They have a separate army-like band, which is best band regiment in the whole Uttarakhand, and they are winning Sainik School Music Competition from last 12 years. These are the photos of their band, and this is their computer lab, one of their computer lab. Talking about the medical facilities, since the school is located at 1800 meter above the sea level, so many students face health related problems. So the school has 20 bed with full-time male and female nursing assistant and on-call medical officer. And if there is a serious problem, the student is shifted to the nearby military hospital, and parents are also informed accordingly. Talking about the canteen in the schools are available. You must have heard about army canteens, and a cafeteria is also run by the schools to meet additional needs. Talking about the library is spacious. There are 1 lakh plus books present in their library, so you can go read and issue the books. Talking about the art infrastructure is good, and teacher is also good, but not everyone is much passionate about arts here. If you are passionate, you have to go and get involved. Talking about the sports, as it is an army school, so sports facilities are much great and much attention is paid to the sports. There are separate grounds for each sport, and also there are separate coaches for each sport. All the coaches are either retired from army or working here as army professionals. Here, there is nothing like head boy or head girl. The sports captain are chosen by the committee of teachers. So there is a sport captain in the school, which is chosen by the committee of teachers. Talking about the academics, the school can be said best in terms of the academics. Top results are produced here, and the school starts from the 6th and till it's up to 12th. Okay, these are the result of class 10th of 2019-20. So let's see the stats. So number of students appeared are 83, which are boarders, and one day scholars. So total 84, and total qualified 82, and one day scholar. So 83 qualified. Pass percentage is 98.7. So one student I think has failed in this year. So number of compartments, one compartment. No one is failed, one compartment. 90% and above for class 9, 38 students, total 39 students, which had 90% and above, and other respectively percentage you can see. And class 10 recent year 2020-21 results. So here 104 students appeared and 104 passed, 100% result, and 90% and above 63 students got 90% and above, and other respective percentages. This is the result of class 12th of March 2020. So number of students appeared are 50 60 and passed 60, so 100% result again, and 90% and above marks are secured by 8 students, and other respective percentage you can see. Also subject wise distribution is also here, you can also see. Result of class 12 of 2021, that is this COVID year. So number of students appeared 56, 59, and also passed 59, 100% result. The student who got percentage above 90 are like 12, and other percentage you can see. Talking about the annual day is organized annually, and the annual day is followed by a sports meet. Talking about the discipline, the school has much strict rules regarding discipline since it is an army school. But sometimes violence happens in the senior houses of the school. The students get trouble and start violence between each other. Since it is a boarding school, so student develops adjusting nature. But on the other hand, they also start abusing very frequently. And due to cold weather there, the seniors are able to arrange the wine, cigarette, etc. But also regular checking is done to make sure that these things are not happening. But little bit these things happens. Finally, my verdict: if you get a chance to get in this schools, means you have to go through the entrance exam. That is much difficult, and then reservations, then state quota, and then if you get in this school, you should definitely go. You should ignore the cons of the schools. You should always see the uh, profits of the school which you get, and this is like an uh, where like JE exam and you get to NITs. So this is army entrance exam, army all Sainik school entrance exam, and you get to a Sainik school. So you get a tag that you have studied from a Sainik school. So if your hard work works and you get there, so you should definitely join this school, because peer and other surroundings here are managed in such a way that when you will depart from the school, you will be someone who will be recognized, and you will be having a tag that you are studied from army school. I will also make another video on how to prepare for AISSC, and this is for all this video. This was